Incremental ratings. So here's an update within SuperMemo 20 and doesn't come from SuperMemo 20 release. It's one of those interim updates. So now I'm running this version, right? The 0.28. Awesome. So what I'm going to do, and you see the knowledge, and this affects the knowledge tree, the icons. Like the icons, UI icons that now you can customize, that was not from release date. Same thing. So what I'm going to do is just update SuperMemo. One of the ways you can do that is by running this installer again. I will be downloading the last one. Nice. Now do you see the icons? Are different, but are huge. So what's happening is that the icons don't scale well with full HD resolution, 1080p, because SuperMemo 20 is designed for 4K monitors. And it's not that sometimes it's not even, so it's not optimized. So it works with lower resolutions, yeah, but it's, as you can see, it's not the optimal experience. So you have incremental reading, and look at this, how much empty space I have between concepts. And even though the concepts, which is already yellow over other yellow, is not that meaningful, yellow over yellow, right? Or that the T is not even centered. What is this, right? I can share my best strategy in this video, but the best you can do is limited. If you ask me, I will say, get a 4K monitor. Solved. Not this solution. Not just this, but many other things are solved with a 4K monitor. But yeah, what if I'm in a laptop, so I have a built-in monitor, and it's Full HD, 2K, or whatever. For me, 2K is enough. But if it's just 1K, so full HD, then the strategy is the following. If you do icons, which are tiny, large, and so on, it only affects this bar within the contents window, this window here. So this doesn't interact at all, doesn't save the issue. The question is, in case you haven't seen my course, my Pledgeable Guide to SuperMemo, perhaps you don't know, but there's some font here that is called Contents font. So if I open this, that will affect the knowledge tree. Let's see. Now, yeah, strictly speaking, you solved the issue. Yes, relatively speaking, it's solved. Because now the icon is now smaller than the text size. Or is about the same size. There's some offset in pixels. I don't know why, but seems that a pattern in SuperMemo. So even though we do this offset, more or less will be about this size. It's solved. Yeah, it's solved, but now the size is too large for me. It's absurd, because if I do one repetition, it's something dummy, but it will work. So at least this has been fixed because I did a video previously. So with low resolutions now this works, okay. So now I guess this is needed. In case it's not fixed, then it is what it is. So you will just have to live with this. Options, contents font. I don't even remember what I had. Let's put 10. And yeah, not the best experience. So might be that this video, and I hope this video is not evergreen. So because of this video, they change it. Because what I have seen is that some people might complain, but not officially. That doesn't arrive to official hands. And I'm not here to do the middleman anymore, just because I cannot afford it time-wise. So for me, it's faster to record this video than actually do a report and all of this that it's likely to be ignored. But since it is more public, it's like more second-hand pressure to do anything, even though no one else reached officially to them. So there were my 2 cents for today. and see you incrementally.